Today's video is another one of those cases where you have a driver in a luxury vehicle that thinks the rules don't apply to them. And so we're coming off of Northgate Boulevard and going on to northbound Highway 83 in Colorado Springs. And I'm behind this Land Rover. And the speed limit here, it drops from 65, I believe, or 60 down to 55. So we go through a couple turns, and this entire area, this entire way is all a no passing zone. And so right here, it opens up a little bit because there's a side street and there's a fire station on the right. And this guy, just decides to pass unnecessarily and illegally in a very dangerous spot. And of course, I catch up with him soon after. But yeah, I don't understand this kind of behavior. Like, he turned to the right at the next light and the guy he was behind went straight. And it's literally just like another mile down the road. I just don't get it.